Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the wonderful Pacific Northwest in that humble little town of Belfair, Washington, or Hickville, USA, as I love to call where I live. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is my surprise June 2026 Adventure Awaits premiere number 3. So that means this video will air at 5:30 p.m. Pacific time on June 17th, and I will be live in the chat awaiting to chat with anybody who stops in and visits me here in my Wonderland. So thank you all for those of you joining me. Thank you, Aunt Carol, for joining me. So this is a kit I got on the last chance product list. So it's called The Adventure Waits. There's no stamps in it, but I am mixing it up just a little bit. This is a test go to see how a premiere would be received by all of you out there, to see how that would work out for me. So let's get started, shall we? So we're going to do 2 cards here. We are going to start with this one, and I do have an idea. We are just changing things up. I'm using the envelope just as an envelope, and this card originally with the truck, it was the mountain scenes and this timid tiger background. We are changing it up. We're putting it on this background, and we're putting a truck with the beach scene and with the surfboard. So just a little bit, and we're going to make it landscape instead of portrait. So here we go. Nothing big, nothing too dramatic. We have our truck, our vellum truck, our palm tree, our surfboard, and driving by to say hello. So we're going to go ahead. Oops. Tear tape is running amok there. So we're going to use a smidgen of tear tape for our truck. And if you're wondering, yes, I have to let my nails grow out because it's like cement. They are not acrylic. Thought it was a good idea. Wrong answer. Or I have to let my daughter grind them off, which don't put it past me. I mean, I was very, very close the other day, but I'm resisting that urge so far. So this next will just go right along here. We're going to try to do this flat. Try is the optimal word. See how we like it. So we have some of this, some of that. We're going to make our scene here. We have a palm tree. Our truck is going to be on the road, not above it. I don't like it sitting up like this. I want it, this is my road for all intents and purposes, just because that's how I am. So we're going to put our palm tree. Remember not to put any glue over on this one, because otherwise it's going to hang off, and I always tend to get it. On this card it could be fine because we're not sticking it up, but we're going to put our palm tree right there. Oh, we need to do our surfboard in the back of a truck. You know why I want a surfboard in the back of the truck? Because when we went to the beach, my hubby and I were young, we had to have the surfboard in the back of the truck because the truck was all we had at the time. That's all we had. Big black beast of a truck. This is definitely a Chevy. Ours was definitely a Ford. Definitely a Ford, man. Though he owns a Chevy. He doesn't want to admit it, but he does. Nothing wrong with the Chevy. He's just funny. You know, guys can be really funny about their vehicles. I still think for Christmas I'm going to get him a license plate that says "wanna be a Ford." Alright, our surfboard is going into the truck. Pop that off, hopefully, maybe. All right. There we go. It's going to the beach here. And then my sentiment is driving by to say hello. And we have to figure that out. Let's go ahead and take the tear tape off of this. Put this on the road. We could pop that whole thing up on dimensionals. Let's do it. If I'm thinking about it, it'd be best just to go ahead and do it. And we'll just grab some of the ones that came in the kit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 for the middle. There's the minis over there. So we have, let's see, driving by. We're going to stick this over on this side. And then this is going to go right here. It's going to cover up our cloud, but I'm going to be just fine with that. And I'm going to add a mini to this side. And a smidgen of glue. There we have it. Quick, easy, no fuss about it. Our white walls and our cloud, the one that is not covered up, and we'll do our little seagull. All right, and for the inside, let's go with this one. Thanks for all you do, from my Aunt Carol again. And then we'll get to card number 2. Oh, and we need hubcaps. Ha 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 ha. Yes, the same ones. Those are fabulous sequins. So sequins. Oh my goodness. I love these. Absolutely. Oh, you know what? We're going to use, I'm going to use these. Absolutely love them. These are going to go with the surfboard. My hubby used to, when he would come out of the water, I could tell. Got bumped by a shark, he'd be done. He'd be like, okay, cool. He'd be sunbathing with me. Like, I didn't have to say anything. He'd just kind of look at each other and nod. I'm like, yeah, we knew. Didn't want to scare everybody off the beach. I mean, you knew, we knew. We knew what was in the water. You only be bumped so many times and then you're taking a risk. So next card base, this is 5.5 by 8, scored at 4. And what I have done is I took half of this card base, right there's that little 1/4 inch, and I went ahead and I cut it every 1/2 inch. And I got all these little strips, and yes, we are doing that 3D effect. So I need to line these up, because now they're we need to line them up so they match, because otherwise they would look really, really, really funky. They would not go together. So I do need, sorry, to get them back in order. This way, nope. Nope. Which way do you go, George? I think this one goes here. Yes, yes. Here. I have to keep them in order. Otherwise, when you put it on the card, it's going to look really funny. So my first strip is going to go down on glue. And I want to get it right to the edge. Oops, scooted it over a little too far. Right to the edge. Okay. My next piece, I'm just going to set it down there, this side up, and then I'm going to glue my next piece in place. I'm not sure how anybody else does this, but this is how That one already scooted out of place, but this is how I line them up. There's that one. Next piece, I turn them upside down so I know. All right, this one gets glued in place. And I have messed this up before, so it's not foolproof, but it's the closest I got. See, that one's going to go that way, so we're going to turn it this way. This one will get glued down. And then the ones that are white on the card right now, those will go up on dimensionals, just like this one. That one is going to go up on dimensional. So we're going to start with this one. And I'm just going to put a dimensional there. I think 4 should do it. And it will go this way, and if I get it right at the edge, I should be able to line it up. So this one, dun-dun-dun-dun, right? We could probably take some scissors here. Two. 4. Next piece, it goes this way. So put some more dimensionals in the space. Use up all those wonderful end pieces as well. And this is stuff I could not do beforehand, so sometimes it is a little time consuming. Last piece, oops, gotta go this way. And then I have all of the pieces there, and this time we're doing the beach scene. As the beach scene, looks like this one's gonna do 5, just because of my spacing. Really simple effect here. So next, this piece is going to go there. So you just need to add glue. That's the trick, right? So I'm going to add glue here, 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 and here. Give it a little smushy, smushy dance. All right. we're going to need a little smidge of vellum for, oops, a little bit more for the vellum for this little vehicle. And no dimensionals, because we got enough on this card as it is, right? And we have a surfboard. We have the little, they're going on a beach vacation, kind of like us in July. Of course, we have people staying with the dogs, friends. All right, on the road again. There we go. Oops. We're going to tuck our tree in. No palm trees here. Okay, sorry. We don't have those here. Just not going to happen. Oh, wait a minute. This is going to go above our surfboard. Let's get our surfboard in place. And then that goes behind it. Surfboard on the top of the car. No, we're not taking the surfboard. Nobody's surfing. Nobody's going to be getting in that water. There we go. And then what do we want? Oh, enjoy the journey. I think that's it. Enjoy the journey. Let the adventure begin. I think we're going to add both. I think this card can take both of those. I do like that. So I'm going to add a dot here, here, and I think it's there. Ha! We'll see. And this one, the L, the B, and the V. Really cool. And just a note to say hello for the inside, because we don't have any stamps. At all. So let's get some hubcaps on our vehicle. Lori, I bet you didn't think we were going to be using all these for this, but I kind of like this one. I kind of was pouring to the pink, but I think these will do great here. Add some Link Estella, and guys, that's it. So we need to do our clouds, our bird. No hubs on this one. These hubs have a little bit of a gray tint. They're chrome, right? We got a vintage vehicle here. So those are my 2 cards for this premiere. Like I said, this is just a taste to see, a little test, a little surprise to see, little test of the waters here, you could say. So thanks for watching, everybody. Thank you, Aunt Carol, for joining me, because I know you're there. And can't wait to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.